Unless you eat the flesh of the Son of Man, you have no life within you.
Yeah, but that's just symbolic, right? Nobody would actually believe
Of course, bro. I'm just joking.
Son, they're all out of wine. What can you do?
Whoa, Mom. If they have a complaint, they have to come straight to me. Don't you know that I can't listen to you?
I suppose I do.
It's all right. We'll take care of it.
It is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich man to enter into heaven.
I thought for a second you were talking about my mega church pastor. Good thing that doesn't apply to him.
Sure.
And I will say, depart from me. For I was hungry and thirsty, and you did not feed me. Whatever you do to the least of my people, you do to me.
Oh, yeah. Good thing faith alone saves us, or else I'd have to worry about that.
Truly I tell you, no one knows the day or the hour when the Son of Man will come again. Not the angels in heaven nor the Son, but only the Father.
Wait, if nobody knows, that means it has to be a surprise. And what's the most surprising day? April 21st, 2026. That's it.
Oh, that actually makes perfect sense.
Right? The numbers line up.